Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. I got some more good information for you, and I want to do an add-on update to video 65, but I'm going to make this a new video, and I'm probably going to call it Heat Lamp Demos Exposed. And I'm going to get very specific in this. So if you go back to video 65 and watch it, you're going to see me sitting there with the red heat lamp. The heat lamp puts off lots of heat. These companies that buy these kits, they come out and they do a real dog and pony show. And the problem is when they take these little small squares of glass and put them in front of the heat lamp, you don't know what type of glass package it is. You're assuming. And they'll take ones that are opaque, some that have fiberglass insulation stuffed in them. They'll take some that they claim are low-E coated with argon. They'll take some double pane, some triple pane. It's a real impressive demonstration when you don't know what you're doing. So I'm not going to expose the companies that sell the kits because I don't necessarily blame them, but I am going to blame the salesperson that come out with the kits and they mislead you on what you're actually being shown. I'm actually going to read right off the menu. So in these kits, they come with all the toys. They come with BTU meters and temperature guns, so you can aim the gun at the thing and it tells you the temperature. The BTU meter has a little needle that goes up and down when it senses heat. It's got all the pricing in here. It's got the mini UV light. Some of them put this sign that's hard to read on the back of one side and they put a UV light on it. See if you can still read the sign. Radiometer. Chiller spray. I love that one. They'll spray some like Freon on one side. They'll put the heat lamp on the other side and then you don't really see the Freon melting off on the other side, proving that it's keeping the heat on one side. That's impressive. Anyway, forget all the toys. I want to get to the glass packages because that's what matters here. So, just so you know, if you go back to another video I put up, there's over 100 different types of low-E coatings that you can do on glass. And depending on what type of low-E coatings you put on and what surfaces you put them on and whether or not it's double pane or triple pane glass, each thing that you change in the glass is going to affect the performance rating of the glass. Just keep that in mind, okay? So in this kit, they have clear glass single pane. And let me be specific. When you hear the word term clear glass in the window industry, that doesn't necessarily mean glass you can see through. It means glass that has no low-E coatings on the surface and no type of argon gas fill or any type of gas fill in between those 2 or 3 panes. So when you hear the word clear, just know it's not low-E coated, which really screws the energy efficiency if it's not, and there's no argon gas or any other type of gas fill in between. So you got clear single pane, you have clear double pane, you have clear with pink insulation in between, literally fiberglass insulation. Then you have a low-E argon double pane with one type of low-E coating. Then they also offer another double pane low-E argon with 2 other types of low-E coatings. But when you get to the triple pane package on here, the only one available is clear. Clear triple pane. That's the problem. There is no triple pane glass kit in this that has any low-E coatings on the glass or any argon fill in between. So when they take a double pane low-E argon small square glass package thing and they put it in front of the heat lamp and you don't feel the heat on the other side, that's impressive. Then they take the triple pane one and they do the same thing and you feel all this heat coming through. You were just lied to. That's not an apples to apples. They're trying to convince you most of the time, and most of the time they do this, it's because they don't even have triple pane to offer, that the double pane is more than sufficient and it will outperform the triple pane, and triple pane's unnecessary, triple pane's overpriced, and you don't need triple pane. This is how they talk you out of it. But it's a complete lie if they're using the kit, because there's no triple pane, low-E argon glass unit in that kit. Anyway, go watch video 65. You'll see the heat lamp and all the toys on the table. But I wanted to go into this deeper, and I am going to call this video Heat Lamp Demos Exposed. Take it for what it's worth. Anyway, I'm Jay Johnson. I hope you find this video helpful. I don't like it when clients get lied to from these salespeople that come out that are using these kits. Thank you so much.